कि बहुत सारे क्रांतिकारी निर्णय लिए गए इन 7-8 वर्षों में. Now we are following the global benchmarks, we are following global strategies, we are following, because if we have to move on, we have to understand, we have to follow the global parameters. और उसमें सबसे बड़ा क्रांतिकारी निर्णय था ओपनिंग अप ऑफ द स्पेस टू द प्राइवेट सेक्टर. And this could have happened only because we had a prime minister who has the courage of conviction to break the taboos of the past, to take out-of-box decisions. And one of the media friends very rightly had pointed out that day while reporting it, that Modi has opened India's space, and rather Modi has unlocked India's space. And of course, for the first time, the gates of Sriharikota were open to all. अब इसका अर्थ ये हुआ, और ये हमारे लिए एक सबक की बात भी है, because we have this day prompts us also to introspect what could have been done, what was not done, what could have been done, what could be done now at least. Space would be an important component, and space economy would be an important component of India's future economic growth as India moves from rank 4 to rank 3, 2, 1, and so on. And now we have become the mainstream players in India's economic growth. We are no longer sitting in the periphery and just doing some odd experiments in the lab which are of no relevance to the country's overall growth. Startup ko dekhiye, till about 3-4 years back, there was hardly a concept of startup in space sector. Today we have nearly 400 startups, and many of them have the world potential. Many of them have turned into lucrative entrepreneurs. This has become, it's emerged as a huge avenue of entrepreneurship. We have created for the world an entirely unique model of the application of space technology to bring in ease of living in the life of a common citizen, in our infrastructure projects, in our development projects. And virtually, space technology has entered every Indian household, although the householders may not be aware that they are using space technology. It's quietly entered into your doorstep. And some of our space technology projects are now being emulated by the rest of the world. Gati Shakti ka bhi Pradhan Mantri ji ne zikr kiya. I think the first of its kind, when you monitor the infrastructure projects, you save on time, you save on money. When we grow in economy, it's not only what the kind of wealth we generate, also the kind of wealth we save. And that is the model of Gati Shakti. Swamitra program, drone ke saath mil karke, you can map your own land. You made citizen the master of his destiny. You have put Patwari out of job, which was such a sought-after job in this country. Telemedicine, disaster, as Prime Minister was mentioning. We are now providing even to the neighbors the inputs for that. Most of our housing programs, Amrit housing project, our smart cities project, defense का मैंने जिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं, आपने ऑपरेशन संदूर अपनी आंखों से देख लिया. What he did, whether it was life sciences, plant physiology, is going to have a huge relevance even for the people living on the earth. जो microgravity में इन्होंने study किया, myogenesis, what happens when the muscles get wasted because of disuse, how to strategize their recovery, is very much relevant. Most of our diseases, like for example, we have in type 2 diabetes mellitus, we have so also in some of the malignancies. We also have that following these ordinary incidents of bone fractures where you have to be bedridden or confined to bed, and then you are asked to do physiotherapy. So how do you strategize? So it's going to have a huge benefit for the people living on the earth, and benefit not confined only to the 140 crore Indians, to the entire mankind, and therefore विश्व बंधु भारत, जो बार बार प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं, उसका प्रतीक XGM-4 मिशन रहा है. In a single sojourn of just about 2 weeks, we have proved to the world that India can be Atmanirbhar Bharat, that India can be Vishwa Hindu Bharat, and India can also perform in an integrated, synergized fashion involving each and every citizen. So that's the most important lesson, and of course the outcomes, as I said, that this year particularly has been very significant for ISRO. 2024 ended with SpaceX, and 2025 began with NAVIC. And now, of course, we'll have Vayomitra, and then 27 Gaganyaan, then 28 Chandrayaan 4, then Venus and Bharat Antariksh Station 2035. And of course, again and again, it has been said that 2040, an Indian landing on the surface of the moon. But do you know what is the implication? हम बार बार हर मंच से कह रहे हैं कि सन 2047 जब हिंदुस्तान अपनी आज़ादी की 100वीं सालगिरह पर आएगा तो विकसित भारत, लेकिन हमें अभी ये नहीं समझ में आया कि उससे ठीक 7 साल पहले एक हिंदुस्तानी चांद की धरती से खड़ा होकर ये ऐलान करेगा कि 7 साल बाद हिंदुस्तान विकसित भारत बनने वाला है. The first declaration of the arrival of Viksit Bharat is going to be made from the surface of moon. ये उड़ान इसी तरह जारी रहे, ये प्रवास इसी तरह जारी रहे और इसी तरह हिंदुस्तान आसमान और ब्रह्मांड की बुलंदियों पर फतेह हासिल करता रहे.